lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here. So today's video I'm going to be unboxing Colourpop's mystery box. I believe this was one they came out with in October. I think it was supposed to be kind of Halloween themed because I think the name of it was like Spooky Box or something like that. Unfortunately, this is sold out, or they don't have it on their website anymore. So I do apologize for that because I am pretty late about filming this. I think I ordered this box maybe in the beginning of October. That's when I saw it, and then I'm just now towards the end of the month filming this. So I do apologize that you can't get this anymore, but I did want to go ahead and show you guys what all I got and tell you guys whether or not I thought it was worth it. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so first thing I am seeing in here, yeah, I think the theme of the box, like the name, was just spooky. I don't think it's supposed to be like Halloween themed items in here. But anyways, or maybe so. I don't know. I can't, it's really bad. I ordered this box and I was like, ooh, mystery box. I like the mystery boxes, and then so much time has passed and then I can't find, the, like I said, the original link or the description of the box. So yeah, my bad guys. Anyways, first thing I'm seeing in here is something from their Powerpuff Girl collection. This is 2 hair clips, and this is, I believe, is Bubbles. I think that's her name. This show was out when I was a kid, but for some reason my dad didn't like the show, so I was never allowed to watch it. But I knew what the Powerpuff Girls was when I was a kid, but can't say that I know every little detail about it. But these are actually really cute, and I remember seeing these when they came out in the collection, and I was like, ooh, I should pick these up. But like, I didn't really like anything else from the collection, so I was like, that's kind of a waste just to buy one thing, because whenever I buy from Colourpop, I like to place that order of like at least $30 worth so I get free shipping. And yeah, I was like, well, I'd have to pay so much shipping on this, so I'm glad to have gotten these. So that's cool. Then we have something in here that is called Glitterily Obsessed, and it is body glitter. Now, I'm not a huge fan of body glitter. I don't really use it that often, but it is a really nice, pretty shade. Let's see, does it have a shade name? Homecoming is the shade name. I'm not sure if I'll keep this, but I think this is the first time that I've gotten a body glitter in my mystery box. I've gotten, I think this is my 3rd or 4th mystery box that I've gotten from Colourpop that I ordered from them. So yeah, not too bad. Alright, then I see something in here from their Lizzie McGuire collection, another kind of like throwback to my childhood. I remember when everyone was obsessed with her. But this is their plumping gloss, and this is in the shade Lizzie. And I remember like stuff that looked like this when I was a kid. These plastic tubes were very popular when I was a young child or preteen. It's very like 90s, early 2000 nostalgic kind of things. Alright, then it looks like we got a sponge. It's all nice and wrapped up. I don't know if I've ever gotten one of Colourpop's sponges. Ooh, it feels like a nice one though. It has like a very nice, I may need to turn my lights down, but you can see that nice angle there. As well as like a flat bottom there. So yeah, that looks really nice. It actually feels pretty nice too. Very soft. So far, not too shabby. Alright, then we have a liquid liner, and this is in the shade The Hills. It's like a nice, looks like a green, which is cool. I think I have gotten a couple of their liquid liners from their mystery boxes. Not this color though. This is a nice color though. It's a nice green. There it is, swatched. It's a nice green. And the felt tip seems pretty nice. And I believe I paid around $50 for this box. Memory serves me correct. Alright, then we got a Feather Effect brow pen. And this is in the shade medium brown. Now, I can't remember. I don't know if they have like a like a profile thing on Colourpop, they might. I don't know how they would know what shade I am. Maybe it's just like a lucky hopeful that you're a medium brown. Yeah, this is nice. It does like have like a nice feather, kind of very fine tip, and you can make some nice, I know I swatched that really awkwardly, but you can make some nice little streaks there. I can't say that I've ever tried a liquid brow pen, so that's kind of cool, and I will definitely try that out. Let's see what's next. Then we got some falsies, some lashes here. This is in the it's in the Styled Queenie, which look very nice. I have to say, I do not wear fake lashes, but my sister does, so maybe I will pass these on to her. It's not that I don't like the way that they look, it's just I'm really lazy, honestly. I don't know. I don't like how they feel on my lids, and it's maybe the ones that I've tried. And honestly, I think it's just something that I never really liked or really was driven to get. I was never driven to grow to like false lashes. I think they look nice on people, and when I've worn them, I'm like, oh yeah, that's nice. But it's just the work. I just don't want to do the work. And honestly, it's not even just the work. It's just I don't care enough to have big lashes. I'm fine with I'm happy with my natural ones, so yeah, that's mostly it. I'm happy with my lashes and have never felt the need to make them look bigger. Alright, moving on. Let's see, we have something here from their Bambi collection, which I thought that they had discontinued their Bambi collection. Maybe they didn't. But this is their Luxe Gloss Trio, which is kind of cool. I mean, you got all three of them. So there's 3 shades. So there's Bambi, Flower, and Thumper. I will pull them out. I probably won't swatch them just because they're glosses, and I don't know. I don't see the point of swatching glosses because they just look glossy, and they usually don't have that much shade to them, but they are really cute. That one's like a brown, kind of like a purpley, and then a pink. I probably would only keep the pink one, honestly. Maybe I'll look at maybe I will try out the purple one. Maybe I will. Maybe I will keep them all. I don't know. They do look nice, though. Alright, guys, almost done. So, next up is something from Fresh Kiss. This is their lip cream, and this is in the shade Freshest. Freshest. Reminds me of like a laundry detergent name. It's a nice shade, definitely one that I can see myself wearing. I have tried their lip creams before, and I actually really like them. I have one of them on today. I can't remember if it's one that I got in my mystery box or if I went and bought it from Ulta. But anyways, I do really like their lip cream formula. It's very comfortable to wear. Alright, I'm saving the best for last, obviously. But let's see, we have something here from a collaboration that they did with a TikToker. I can't remember her name. Her name's Jasmine or something like that. But anyways, it's the So Dangerous. It's a lip duo kit here. I wonder if that means that her collaboration didn't do so very well. If it's already in a mystery box. I thought that was a recent thing. Not that I'm throwing any shade towards her or anything. But it just makes me curious because I knew this was a recent one. Anyways, let's see. We have it in the shade So Iconic, which is like a pinky shade. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, very pink. I'm not sure if I will be keeping this. And then we have a lip pencil in the shade Oh My. I'm sure that's not how she says it, but Oh My. Which is just basically the same shade. But that's very, very pink. So, yeah. I'm not sure if I'll keep those just because I don't usually wear that bright of a pink. Maybe I'll try it on and see how I like it. Maybe I'll be surprised with myself and I'll love it. Probably not, but we never know. Alright, so 3 more products and then we're done. So we have one of their pressed powder palettes. It's one of their quads. They do like to put these quads in here, which I'm not mad about. This is in the shade Citrus Fizz, or the palette name is Citrus Fizz. That is a tongue twister for me. I don't know why I said shade. It's not a shade. It's the palette name. But anyways, it's a nice, very nice little neutral quad here. Definitely could see myself using this if I just wanted a quick everyday look. I really do like this clear plastic packaging. I feel like it's more solid and I like the thickness of it. And then I think it makes it look nice for displaying. It's very shiny. Alrighty, and then the last two products are also palettes, but unfortunately I already own both of these, which is sad, but at the same time, you know, it's really cool to see these in here. Now the first one is this Plush Like Me palette. Now I did receive this in either my last mystery box or maybe the one before that. I know I didn't buy this one from Ulta or from the Colourpop website, so I know I got this in a mystery box, but here is what it looks like. It's very nice, kind of like purpley nudish kind of tones there. One of my favorite things about this actual palette, I haven't actually tried it yet, but the packaging is super, super pretty and just very nice to look at. It has like nice velvet kind of texture to it. Like this design here is all like that velvety kind of feel. So it's actually a really pretty, like packaging wise, a very beautiful palette. At least that's just how I feel about it. But yeah, the actual palette looks really nice, but I just haven't tried it yet. I will probably pass this on to a family member or a friend. I have quite a few family members that like makeup, so I'm sure they will like this, or one of them will like it. And then the last palette is actually pretty cool to see in the box. This is from their Hocus Pocus. Now, I know they just released a new collection. This is like, I think their newest one is like their third time releasing a collection themed from like Hocus Pocus. I guess they've been doing really well, but I do already have this palette. I think I picked them up like when they were doing a deal, or maybe I got them on Ulta on sale. I can't remember. Somehow I ended up with them. And this is the Witching Hour palette. Super cute, and if I didn't already have this, I would have been very excited to have gotten this in this box. There it is, but I just think it's super cool to see this in a mystery box. I thought this palette was pretty popular. I know a lot of people like the Hocus Pocus the Hocus Pocus collections. I know a lot of people like it, especially for Halloween. So maybe this is why they did like kind of like a Halloween themed boxes, because they had this one in there. Although I will say this is probably the only one in here that's kind of Halloween themed. Although if you're doing like costume ideas, then people might dress up as Bubbles or Bambi or Lizzie McGuire. So I could see how they could consider this maybe a Halloween themed box if that is what they did. Like I said, I can't remember if it was just the name of the box or if it was supposed to be like Halloween themed. Alright, so that is everything in the box, and now I'll just kind of do a quick run through of everything once again to let you guys know my final thoughts on everything. So I got these adorable hair clips, which I really like, and I will definitely use these when I'm putting my makeup on. I got some falsies, which not really my thing, but I know someone that will love these, so I don't mind getting them. I got some body glitter, which I'm not really for sure about body glitter. I don't use it that much, but I do have people that I can pass this on to that'll probably use it. And it is kind of like a cool item to have gotten in here. Maybe I'll try it out just to see how the formula is. But I could definitely see this being used around Halloween time, so that's kind of cool. Then I got the sponge, which I really like actually getting, because I do like sponges, and I've never tried one of theirs before. Then I got a liquid liner, which I'm not too mad about. A brow pen, which I think is kind of cool because I've never tried that one before. Then we got some lip products, so I got 4 different types of lips. And here we have a juicy, it's a plumping gloss. Then I have one of their looks, then I have one of their lip creams, which I thought was pretty cool. And then a Luxe Gloss Trio, which is again pretty nice. And then this Lip Duo set, which is unfortunately not my shade, but I think it was kind of cool. I think it was pretty cool to have gotten this in the box. And then the best products, in my opinion, were the palettes. So I got this quad I got one of the Hocus Pocus palettes, and then this one here, which I don't know. I can't remember which collection this is from, but it is pretty cool to have gotten 3 palettes in this box. So overall, final thoughts on everything. Yeah, I think this box was pretty good. You know, I think pay $50 for it. So from like a customer's point of view, I think the value is definitely worth it from like what I paid versus like, I'm sure like this is at least $100 and some like all together. For me, it was a bit of a bummer to have had to have gotten 2 palettes that I already have in my collection, but that is the chance that I take when I get mystery boxes. You know, I'm bound to get something that I already own, especially because I'm someone who frequently buys from Colourpop, so it's kind of bound to happen. But having said that, I do think it's like if someone who's never bought from Colourpop before and they just buy a mystery box, I think these are pretty cool to get in the box, especially this Hocus Pocus one, because like I said, I was pretty sure this is a pretty popular item. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it sold out at least when they first launched it, but I could be wrong. This one, I can't remember the launch of this one, and this one may not be a popular item, but I do think it's a nice looking palette, and like I said, if you've never gotten anything from Colourpop, I don't think these are bad palettes to get. These quads I think are actually pretty cute, and I'm happy to have gotten this one. But all the other stuff is pretty nice stuff and that I don't already own, so that's pretty cool, and I will definitely add them to my collection. So yeah, overall, I think it was definitely worth it. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help with my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of this mystery box. Did you guys get this mystery box? And if you did, what did you think of it? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!